lost, Lord, but He came to me. I was lost, Lord, but He came to me. He came and He died for me on the cross of Calvary. Now we are married, oh, just because of me, you wasted your life. Just because of me, He gave the Holy Ghost. Just because of me, He came every day to draw me near to you. Now we are married, we are married, Jesus, my lover, how will I take you from here? Your spirit is moving inside of me every day, every time, every day, every moment. Oh, Jesus. Oh, what kind of love is this that You've all showed me? That You've all showed me. What kind of love that You showed me? My mother, my father, my siblings can never show me. Now we are married,